Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
I am sure Aisha Abimbola is looking down upon all of us, looking down onto us and saying thank you for guarding my back. Ladies and gentlemen, please can we give another round of applause for that wonderful rendition. Thank you. Before we continue, I would like to recognize the presence of the Governor, Tampan, Lagos State. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a round of applause for Debo Alexandra. Please, a round of applause for my boss, Mr. Debo Alexandra. God bless you. Thank you for coming. I'd also like to say special thank you to Dele Agbeyo, Dele Gold. Before we started the procession, he was here, he performed wonderfully and excellently. So thank you, Dele Gold, for your performance. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go back to tributes. I know it will continue to pour in. And, of course, let us give it up for H. Anthony. H. Anthony, please come forward. Please put your hands together for H. Anthony. I would also like to recognize the presence of the National Assistant General Secretary of Tampa in the person of Mr. Olu